Welcome to Graberworks. Today I will be printing a chair for Bernie to sit in. The file was made by Chaos Core Tech and was on Things website. I'll put the links to the files in Chaos Core Tech site in the notes. Here is a view of the chair model in Cura. Here is a view of the settings I used. Here is a view of the time and materials. I did use white PLA to print both Bernie and the Bernie chair. I had to modify my normal settings and increase the bed and hot end temperature and use support to get the file to print. Once I modified the settings, the chair printed good, but still had some stringing issues. It would have printed better with a finer setting and may have improved the overall print. I did use support settings in Cura, touching the build plate, and did attempt to print without supports. Here's a view of the finished Bernie chair with supports still in place. Here's a view of the Bernie chair without supports. The supports were pretty hard to get off without breaking the chair. I did break a chair that I printed and used super glue to fix the issue. I imagine the print could be cleaned up using acetone. The print really shows layers, but that's on the operator and not the Cura settings. I have printed a few of these for gifts for friends, and they seem to really like them and get a kick out of the Bernie figure and his chair. Here's the print of the chair speeded up. If you would like to see some other models, figures, or other items 3D printed, please post your request in the comments section. If you have made it this far, subscribe to my channel, and when I get 100 subscribers, I'll send one lucky winner a Bernie and his chair. But that's not all. Act right now and subscribe to my channel, and you'll win absolutely free my gratitude for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment.